Hello and welcome to Neptune Technology Group's tutorial on the bleed screw found on each of the commercial and industrial Mach 10 ultrasonic meters. Pictured here, you see the 8, 10, and 12-inch Mach 10 meters. In this video, I'll cover how to successfully purge air out of your C9 Mach 10 meter with the help of the bleed screw, seen here next to the meter's register. The bleed screw is a Phillips head and can be easily backed out by hand. Once the meter is installed on your test bench or in the field for service, allow it to slowly fill with water until the line is pressurized. Turn the bleed screw until you can feel water pushing it up and out from the meter's main case. The screw is captured and it will not eject. As you see here, the screw is captured but can freely move up and down. A small rag or towel can be placed over this area to contain the stream of escaping air and water. Leave the bleed screw open during the entire purge process to ensure any and all air is allowed to escape. Once the meter's LCD shows the expected amount of water being registered, fully retighten the bleed screw. Thank you for tuning in to Neptune Technology Group's tutorial on how to exercise the commercial and industrial Mach 10 meters bleed screw.